What is up? Welcome back, Red Pill Racing. Excited to say I found a set I was hoping I would, but hadn't found any of. It's the 100-year Chevy truck set. Check these things out. The 52 Chevy. The 83 Silverado. Check out the 67 C10. Number 4 in the set, the 62 Custom. Sweet ride. Number 5 is the Chevy Blazer. Number 6 is 1500 race truck. Maybe one that could go to sub 4 RA. Number 7 is the Rado, the Silverado. I don't know why they haven't made a full-size extended cab that's not dropped, because this one dropped just like the other casting. And 8th, the 69 Stepside. Now what I want to do, I'm going to open all these things. We're going to race them, see how that turns out. But first, I want to know what these things weigh, because I believe some of these are pretty heavy. First, we're going to correct this 52 Chevy. Check that bad boy out. Pretty sweet car. Let's get some weight. 39 grams. That's pretty decent for a new car. Rolls pretty nice. This is the one I'm thinking might be heavy, this 83 Silverado. Love the paint on it. And it feels heavy. Wheels. Nice. That classic grill. Let's get a weight. 53 grams. You don't see many new mainlines that weigh that much. 53 grams. Nice. On to number 3. The 67 C10. It's got the fat tires on the back. I do like the wheels on this one. Look at that front thing, looks mean. Let's get a weight. 38. You know, 37, 38, that's kind of pretty average on these new cars. Now 53, that's pretty tough to beat. Let's put these up here so we can see them as I unpack these things. Next up, Custom 62. Pretty good looking car. So many of these Chevy trucks are dropped. Every one of them pretty much have that fender flare on them. That one's 43 grams. Decent. Number 5, not really one that as a racer I'm excited about. It's that 4x4 Blazer. Pretty good looking version though. I like the green. I don't think it's going to fit on the track. I think it's too wide, but we'll weigh it. 39, kind of like the most of them. 3 cars left. So just 1500. It actually has a metal base. The rest of them all have plastic bases, even the heavy one. I like that car. Feels light though. Ooh, it is very light. 29 grams. Ooh. That don't bode well for the track. That classic Chevy front end. Look at that. My camera's terrible at focusing. Whatever. Next up, another plastic base. That Silverado. Good looking truck though. Good long wheelbase. Weight 47 grams. That's also pretty heavy. Last but not least, 69 Chevy. Got a little bit fatter tires on the back. Probably my favorite looking casting. I don't know, the heavy one was pretty good too. That was 44. So I'll get these things graphited up and we'll take them to the track. Alright, we got them lined up. The bracket sets up just the way the cards are numbered in this set. Number 1 versus number 2. Number 3 versus number 4. 5 versus 6. 6 versus 7 versus 8. Bad camera work. Anyway, let's see what happens.
This is the resistance and I'm not giving in. Breaking the paradigm everybody's living in. No more spinning on a ball, that shit was just pretend. And I'm not gonna say it is just for the sake of fitting in. The truth is different to people because illusions vary. The truth is hidden, the truth is missing, the truth is buried. The truth is beautiful, truth is ugly, the truth is scary. That's why telling the truth is revolutionary. The truth is something that these people just will not provide. That's why they gotta keep sheeple completely occupied. Now our food and our fruits and veggies are modified. And that's what happens when common sense is just not applied. They govern your mind, that's why it's called governmental. Everything that comes out of their mouth is utter dribble. And we just sit here every day, it's always uneventful. That's why I'm out here causing ruckus, man, that's what I'm into. Defiant, remaining non-compliant. No, I'm not staying quiet, never remaining silent. Doing everything that I can just to create a riot. I want the truth and I'll do whatever it takes to find it. Have to be asleep to have the American dream. There's bloodlines and they seem to think there's a supreme. Democrats and Republicans are sharing the scene. It's no different than the WWE. Everybody's an actor and the world is a stage. We're just some slaves, never knowing the world is a cage. They got us worrying about chasing fortune and pain. They train us to ignore these things and it's more than just strange. But I won't do this anymore, man, I'm taking control. If you don't do it for yourself, no one's saving your soul. It's better that you make it whole than them making a hole. Ripping it, tearing it, twisting and taking it slow. I've never been the type of guy that would tolerate ghouls. They try to take us and brainwash us in all of their schools. They're lying to us every day while we're watching the news. But I refuse to lose and no, I won't follow the rules.